I wanted this track to be a modern version of what was going on then. And for me, the sound that's really as close to being sort of cutting edge, but still underground, is the kind of big driving techno sound that's around at the moment. And it's something that I've always played, and it's something that I always produced, and always thought Revolution would work well within that genre. And actually, because a lot of the big techno DJs have been picking up on it again and replaying the original, it just seemed the natural way for this mix to go. It's something that I enjoy doing. It's something that I like. It's something that I play, which is the number one reason why you would pick a style to do a remix or make a record in. There is never any point picking a style of remix just because you think it's going to be big. You need to pick and work on something that you love, because that will come across in your music. The amount of times that I've tried to pick and go, oh, electro house is big at the moment, I'm going to try and make an electro house big record. It never works. It never works. You have to make what your heart is true to, and that will come across in your music. So for this track, I wanted to make a big techno banger, a big main room techno banger. So I wanted that big pumping techno kick.